Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open an Audi A7 trunk with a dead battery. Locate the manual trunk release access panel behind the rear seat or in the trunk. Remove clips carefully and use a flashlight to see the release cable and lever clearly. Begin by folding the rear seats to create an access path to the trunk area from inside the car. Use a flat screwdriver to pry off the access panel, then find and pull the manual release cable or lever until you hear the latch click and the trunk opens. Quick recommendation: on another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading repair manuals or passing time during car waits, with a clear screen and long battery life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the manual release is inaccessible, try the mechanical key in the trunk lock or start the car to restore electronic release function. Always wear gloves and avoid forcing components. If you encounter resistance, stop and call professional help to prevent damage or injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.